This video will demonstrate the Revolve command in AutoCAD. We'll be in the 3D modeling workspace. Not everybody has this drop down. It has to be customized. Don't forget that the workspaces are also available down here in the lower right corner with the little gear icon. As always, I suggest students have all status bar buttons turned on, or visible, I should say, and turn off all except polar tracking and object snap. Object snap tracking might be helpful. Have your object snap set to end, mid, and center, quadrant, and intersection. And have your polar tracking set for 45. 90 is okay as well. But for the revolve command, we want to draw a half of an object that we can spin around an axis. Think of it kind of like slicing a baseball bat right down the center line. You draw half of a baseball bat and spin that profile around to form the entire baseball bat. First one you should do, I'd suggest use a polyline. One side should be straight, and just make a couple of zigs and zags with or without your polar tracking. And finish up. So we got this one single polyline. This is a very simple profile that I can spin around this vertical side to form like a perch of a birdhouse, for example. The revolve command is on the flyout under extrude in the 3D modeling workspace. Right there. So click on the revolve command. It asks for select your objects to revolve, select your closed polyline, hit enter. Next it says specify the axis start point. There's a few other options that you can get into later, but say the start point of the axis is at the end of this straight line. Now it's asking for the end point of the axis. That'll be right there. All that's left is defining the angle at which you want to spin this thing. This early in your training, I'd suggest spin it just a simple 360. That's the default, so hit enter. And there's your spun dowel. Again, a nice way to make a perch of a birdhouse. We'll take a 3D orbit and take a look at this. Zoom in, hit enter or escape to get out of the 3D orbit. Let's change the visual style to say conceptual. We can do the 3D orbit again and look at it. Hit enter or escape to get out of 3D orbit. Maybe hidden, maybe realistic, maybe X-ray. Well, that's basically a simple revolve procedure. Again, using the polyline command with a straight side about which you can spin the profile to make the birdhouse perch or baseball bat, table lamp, whatever you're making. That's about it.